In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply animations to all slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. This is a PowerPoint presentation that I have taken as an example. In the bottom right menu, click on the Slideshow Mode button. In Slideshow Mode, you can see that my presentation does not contain any animation. Adding animations to every slide one by one can be too time-consuming. Let's close the Slideshow Mode. In the title bar, click on View. In the menu bar, click on Slide Master. In the Slide Master option, click on the first slide at the top. Select the title text box and go to Animations. Select an animation to your liking. Now select the other text box. Add an animation again. In the title bar, click on Slide Master. In the menu bar, click on Close Master View. Here you can see that after every slide number, a star mark is added. This means all of the slides now have animations. Let's open the slideshow mode again. Here you can see that every slide has animations added.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.